Okay. Ate, what's your name? What? Scarlett. Hanapin. Ate Scarlett, ilang taon ka na? 5. Okay, dahil 5 ka na, what do you want to become when you grow up? What is your dream? You want to become, what do you want? We have police, teacher, army. What do you want? Teacher. Okay, palakpakan naman natin si ate. Gusto niya maging teacher. Okay, ano ba ginagawa ng teacher? Classmate mo? May classmate pa ba yun? Okay, so dahil dyan ate. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Miggy. Lakas mo.
Happy birthday to you ate ha.
Happy birthday, Miggy.
Happy birthday, Miggy.
One more,
Okay,
one
1,
more.
2, 3, go! 1. Okay,
Long-
itlong ate ha.
Longest daw.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Uy, ulit.
One more,
Kasi
one
naka-4
more.
lang yun eh.
One more.
One more.
Tagalan mo,
Kailangan mo
baby.
maka 5 para panalo ka.
Tagalan
Okay,
mo.
so 1, 2, 3, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7.
Yay!
Okay, naka-7 lang siya. Okay, next sa babae. Sa girls muna tayo sa girls. Sige, palakpakan naman natin sila. Ayan, palakpakan naman tayo dyan para sa family. Ayan, okay, so, ma'am sir, dito po tayo sa harap. Kakala po tayo ng happy birthday. Okay, wait lang po, ha? Ayan, okay, so tayo po muna tayong lahat. Tayo, lahat po ng bisita natin. Tayo po muna tayong lahat. Okay, tayo po muna tayong lahat. And,
Sabi mo tulungan mo.
wait natin yung ads. Ayan, okay, so,
Sabi mo na yung cake. Sabi mo doon.
alright, so pagka-count ko ng 3, kailangan sabay-sabay tayo kakanta. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, sing.
Happy birthday to you.
Louder!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, sabay may isang palakpak naman. Tete, happy birthday to you. Kumanta ka. Happy birthday to you. What's your name? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, one more time. Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy na birthday pa. Ayan, okay, so, everybody shout, happy birthday, Vicky!
Happy birthday, Miggy.
Okay, so, yung pinakamalakas!
Happy birthday, Miggy.
Okay, so, pinakamalakas!
Happy birthday, Miggy.
Ayan, okay, so, once again, palakpakan natin si Mami, si Daddy. Siyempre, si Miguel. Okay, so, Ma'am
Patawanin mo
Sir,
si
thank you
Miguel,
po.
Ma'am.
Ayan, si Donna po ulit tayo, Ma'am Sir. Ayan, thank you. Okay, so, okay.
Charlotte, sumama si Daddy mag-dance.
Alright, palakpakan naman natin. Okay, ang team boys, dahil talo sila, sasayaw sila ng ice cream yummy.
Okay, thank you for ice cream so good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Wow!
Ice cream yummy.
Palakpakan naman natin sila. Ayan.
Ice cream good.
Galing ah. Okay na ngayon, sabi ni Sir. Palakpakan naman natin sila, Sir. Ayan, thank you po sa inyo, Sir, sa kayo pagka-cooperate. Ayan. 3! Okay, wala pa. Excited ka, ha, ate, ha? Okay, 1, 2, 3! Okay, go!
Happy birthday to you.
Louder!
Happy birthday to you.
Mas malakas!
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, so may isang palakpak naman. Happy birthday to you. Kumanta ka. Happy birthday to you. What? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, one more time. Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey. Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Ayan namin. So, everybody shout. Happy birthday, Miggy.
Happy birthday, Gigi!
Okay, sa may pinakamalakas.
Happy birthday, Gigi!
Okay, sa may pinakamalakas.
Happy birthday, Gigi!
Ayan, okay. So, ma'am, sir, pakitulungan na lang po si Miggy mag-blow ng candle. In 3, 2, 1. Blow!
Yay!
Yan, namin. So, hindi natatapos yung birthday party natin kung walang birthday wish ni Mami tsaka ni Daddy. Ayan, okay. So, ma'am, sir, sino po gusto niyo mauna? Si Daddy daw po. Okay, so, sir. Okay, sir, birthday wish po.
Kaya namin may kibigin na wish mo sa good health, tsaka ayun lang, good health lang. Tapos, ayun lang, good health lang.
Susunod ka kay Daddy.
Ayun lang, good health lang.
Palakpakan naman natin si Daddy.
Okay, next. Si Mami naman po. Okay, so, ma'am, birthday wish, ma'am. Walang iyakan mo, ha? Wala rin kayahan, ma'am.
Iyak na yan, iyak na.
Ayun, happy birthday, Vicky. Wish ko, good health. Siyempre, lumaki kang God feeling. And,
Naiyak na!
masunurin na bata. Ayan. And, nandito lang kami lagi ni Daddy. Yan, to guide you kung ano man yung gusto mong maging maganda. Yun lang, and good health.
Ano daw masasabi mo kay Daddy?
Ay, nakipalakpakan naman natin si Mami tsaka si Daddy. Napaka-sweet naman nila sa birthday wish nila para kay Miggy. Ay, kami din po may birthday wish kami para kay Miggy. Ay, pinakasabi ng boss namin, salamat daw po sa pag-ipit, ha? Eh, sana daw po makapunta po siya ng pag-aaral. Ay, sabi naman ng painter natin, sana daw po makapunta po siya ng pag-aaral. Kayo naman habang nag-makeup ako, pinag-isip ako ito mabuti. And then sabi ko, sana makapunta po siya ng pag-aaral. Ay, tatlo po yun. Elementary, high school, and college. Ay, lumaki siya may takot sa Diyos, sa mga magulang niya. Pati sa aso ng kapitbahay nila. Ayan lang. Ayun lang po. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. And once again, palakpakan na lang natin si Mami, si Daddy, and si Daddy. And di pa tayo nagtatapos dahil mamimigay pa si Mami ng loot bags and giveaways para sa inyo lahat. Ayan, okay, so ma'am. Bigay na po tayo ng loot bags and giveaways.